Can you really go for 7 days without washing your hair and still have defined curls?
We chose 4 lucky girls to take a 7-day challenge using our styling kit, and here's how it went.
Excited to try this styling kit by Maintain and seeing how my hair holds up. I shall speed run you through the whole styling process. I've basically just started out with dripping wet hair always, parted it down to 2 sections, and then went ahead with the leave-in conditioner first and then the hard hold gel. I'm just separating my curls and then eventually just scrunching it all out. And this is how my hair looked like for day 1. I absolutely loved how this one turned out. So this is day 2. I still have my bonnet on. I got ready for work. Let's do a hair reveal together. And I'm a little bit scared. No frizz. And my curls still look pretty fresh. I can just take my bonnet off and like walk off to work. I don't have to style it again or refresh it again. And we're at day 3. I am so late for work and I'm honestly very scared today, but I haven't seen my hair yet. My bonnet has been on since morning. Other than this part here, I feel like it's not that bad. My curls are still there. There's some water and the Manetain gel. We are going to mix it up together. Literally worked in 5 seconds. What the hell? So I just finished diffusing my hair and day 3. Are you kidding me? Usually I would have to put my hair up in a bun by now, but it's looking pretty good. I'm going to see how this holds up by the end of the day. So we are at day 4. I am in shock. Day 4? Are you kidding me? Day 4? This looks like day 2. It still looks pretty good from my day 3 refresh, so I don't even think I need to do much. I maybe will put some serum on. And it is day 5. I have a meeting today. I do not have time to style my hair, but I have some things to say about Maintain. Please, if you're a curly hair girl, you have to absolutely try them out. And I'm not saying this to sugarcoat anything. Genuinely, I will stand by this brand and I will swear by it because it has done my hair so good these past 5 days. You'll see why. Just try it out and you'll see why. You'll thank me later.
I have literally got 7 days of life coming at me and literally zero patience to redo my hair. But the question is, can they survive real life and my curls for 7 days straight? Let's find out. So this is what my normal day 4 curls look like. The curls have literally lost their definition and they're just so dry that I cannot step out in them. So I'm starting with clean, fresh hair. So I have used a lot of curl creams and leave-in conditioners, but this one feels different. Just thick enough for moisturizing, but not too thick that'll make your hair greasy. Next step is the gel. It gives you a medium hold, and they claim that this gives your hair definition without the crunch. It's a pretty bold claim, so let's see. So I'm just going to let it air dry for some time. Okay, so as you can see, there is a gel cast. So let's just break it off. Okay, so I have scrunched out the crunch and this is what they look like. And I feel my day 2 is going to turn out so good. Just imagine this much definition with a hint of volume. Like, I really love it. We are already off to a very great start. Okay, so it's day 2 and I'm all set. I've got my makeup on. I've got my outfit. Now let's see how my hair holds up. The moment of truth. Oh my god. I mean, I have no words for this. I absolutely love it. Oh my god. I still can't believe that this is my day 2 hair. Wow. So I'm all set. Yeah. No need to refresh. Nothing. If this is how my day 2 hair looks like, I am really excited for day 3. Okay, a quick curl check. I am going to a cafe to meet my friend and this is how my hair looks like. It still looks really pretty. Overall, I don't think they need any more refreshing. They look just as nice. And you know, usually by day 3, my hair is up in this hairstyle. But no, today guess I'm going to be rocking my curls. Okay, so I just got back from Pilates and this is how my hair is holding. There's a little bit of frizz, but other than that, they look really nice. I mean, I still cannot believe it. By the way, this is my day 4. So I did not sleep in a bonnet and this is how they look at day 5. They have gotten frizzy, but I think I can go out like this. But I don't really feel like going out today, so I'm just going to chill at home. Yeah, my scalp has also gotten itchy. So let's see how well they're holding up tomorrow. Okay, so today is day 6 and let's see how my hair is holding up. I'll need to refresh my bangs, but I have a party tonight. I mean, I can just go out like this. Yeah. So did this combo pass the test? Absolutely yes. It's lightweight, definition lasts, and although I do not recommend going for 7 days without washing your hair, this proves that you don't have to style your hair every 2 days. So if you're someone who wants actual low maintenance curls, this kit might just be for you.
Will my curls last for a week? There's only one way to find out. I'm using this cream from Manetain, and it's supposed to add moisture. I like it how it got a nice thick texture, but it's still not like being too heavy on my curls. So now I'm gonna follow up with this gel. I live in a very humid place, so when it's day 2, the definition is just gone. These are day 1 curls, and they feel so soft, so defined, and I'm so impressed. I can't even tell you. And it feels like I have no product on. It's just that lightweight. Okay, so let's see if they last for 7 days. So I woke up to zero crunch, just soft definition. And usually day 2 is mine a little frizzy, but this is holding quite good. So day 3 is usually a bun day for me because my hair are all over the place, but at this point of time they are doing really good. I slept in a satin bonnet. So it's day 4. I'm gonna do a quick check-in. There's a little frizz on the top. I'm gonna spray it all over my curls. And that's it. And now my curls are back to how they used to look. So this is day 5 and I'm gonna do a quick check-in. They look fine. So this is day 6 and I did it in a quite cute updo and they look quite nice like this. This is day 7 and I can't believe these are my hair on day 7. And these products, these are a must have from Manetain, because I will admit that out of so many products that I've used, these are one of the best. I am saying that these are one of the best and it is a 10 on 10 recommendation. Thank you so much, Manetain. And you should definitely get it. If you are a curly head, you will love it. Trust me.
These products claim to repair and provide long-lasting definition for my curly hair. So I'm going to style my hair using these 2 products and see if it actually works. As you can see, this is how my hair looks like on day 4 generally. First, I'll apply the leave-in conditioner. This leave-in conditioner has ingredients like slippery elm, seaweed and marshmallow extracts, which preps, moisturizes and detangles your hair. So apply the product thoroughly to your hair and then I would scrunch it. Make sure you hear this sound when you scrunch it. That means you have used enough water. Now I'm going to apply the gel, and this is a hard hold gel. Let's try it. I have used so many hard hold gels. They make my curls last for at least 2 to 3 days. On 3rd day, I kind of lose definition. I am really excited how this one is going to turn out. This is how my hair looks. I mean, look at that shine. I am really happy with the results and I'm so looking forward to see how it will turn out tomorrow. Today is my day 2 and I want to show you how my hair looks like out here for a walk. So look at that shine. They're still super defined. I'm really loving it. So I'm going to pick up my daughter right now and today is my day 3. Generally, you will see me in a bun on day 3. Because my hair looks so good, I have the privilege to leave it open on day 3. Definition is bomb. I'm really satisfied. This is my day 4 hair. As you can see, my curls are still very defined. And after becoming a mother, I don't really get time to style my hair multiple times. So this styling combo gave me amazing long-lasting definition. Now I don't have to worry about doing my styling routine for at least 3 to 4 days anymore.